Hey besties, welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, we are going to discuss more pre-orders that are coming out and hitting us in January. But before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
Okay, besties, let's get started. Let's jump right into this because it's going to be a lot that we have to discuss. But I want to say this. I don't even know if I want to talk about this, but I think I need to. For the multicolor collection, I know we are tired of hearing about it, but I want to let you guys know there are actually 3 dates for VIC, VVIC to pick their pre-orders, the items that they wanted. December 5th, December the 12th or the 15th, and December 27th was actually the last day for them to get their pre-orders in. Guys, let me tell you this. You might be able to get your hand on a Speedy 25 bandolier, the white Speedy 25 bandolier, but you need to reach out to your CA now. Like now. Because it's not going to reach the stores. It's going to be other people, like, honestly, getting these items. Because once they pick out their items and whatever is left is supposed to hit the stores. But if you do not reach out to your CA, guys, somebody else is going to snag that. So don't give up. And if your CA have been ignoring you, let them know, hey, the gig is up. I already know what's going on. Marquita told me it was either VVIC, VIC that had first picks. What's left? Just be honest and ask them, hey, is there anything left? I know about the pre-orders. Please, let me just pay for what I want if it's available. So, guys, you might get lucky because I heard the Speedy Soft 30, the black, was actually like more popular than the Speedy 25 bandolier in white. Okay? Just give me that information. Now we can move on. Okay, so, guys, let's talk about this. I showed you guys on Instagram. And this is very, very huge. It is. But a lot of you guys were like, hey, Marquita, who's going to use this bag? Moms. Mommies that have more than 3 kids. Mommy that has 1 kid. Anyone can honestly use this bag. But here it is, guys. This is the Never Ever Full. And this has Pharrell's name written all over it. First, let's talk about the price. The price is $4,950. $5,000. Yeah. Okay, so $5,000, guys, and it is listed as a Never Ever Full, and it's an XL size. So, guys, it is larger, of course, than the Never Full GM. Way larger, as you can see from the picture. Not only that, guys, it comes with treated vachetta, and it also comes with a pochette. It comes with a name, with the tag, the name tag. And let me get the measurements. The length is 23 by 6 inches. The height, 15 inches. And the width, 9.1 inches. So yes, guys, bigger than a GM. Of course, it's monogram, calf leather, treated vachetta, guys. The inside is the same textile lining, just like we have in any other Never Full that we have in our collection, guys. It comes with a removable metallic tag. Okay, it comes with a name tag, a double zip closure, padlock, an inside pocket, and a pochette. So you guys let me know if you think it's worth the $5,000. It's a Never Ever Full, meaning basically you can just put your kids, when you travel, just put your babies inside of this bag because it's big enough. You can put yourself inside the bag. I'm just here to share. Let's get the product code number. If you are interested, you can send this to your CA. Pre-orders are open now. The product code number is M140 023. Again, the price is $4,950. Basically $5,000 for this Neverfull, okay? It is what it is. And here is the other Neverfull here, guys. The price is a tad bit different. $3,450. And like I said, Pharrell's name is all over this design. And so here is a picture of the inside. So I'm happy to see this. I was scrolling through. I didn't even look in my notes. So here's the inside with the side pocket, textile interior. And guys, the zipper is very, very important on this. So I am loving that. And you see that it has the pochette. So guys, it's not too bad. I would say for this price, I think the monogram should have been the same price. That's just me. Okay. This right here actually stole the show for me. I love handbags like this. And I showed you guys on Instagram. This is the Noe Cargo. I love the front pocket, the front compartment on this, the zipper compartment. I love everything about this. I love the treat of a vachetta with this monogram. Everything is perfect. Just enough gold hardware. The treated vachetta trimmings, everything is perfect. The tote handle, great job. The price, $2,790. I don't see anything wrong with this price at all. Inside textile material, it does come with like a card holder pocket inside. But guys, this is so cute. I love everything about it, okay? And let me get the dimensions. 8.7 inches. This is the length. The height is 9.4 inches and the width is 6.3 inches, okay guys? I see nothing wrong with it. I love the front zipper compartment. This is so cute. So guys, let me know how you feel about this. The product code number is M14017. Very cute. I love this so much, okay? So let's move on to this beautiful hobo bag, guys. I think it's cute. And guys, why are they giving the men all the good stuff? Ugh, it's just getting on my nerves. Okay, so this is $4,950. The product code number is M14196. And guys, I am going to be skimming through these very fast, okay? And guys, this is very huge as well. Very huge. The length is 16.5, and that's the length. The height is 10.2 and the width is 3.1 inches. Of course, all of this collection, guys, is basically going to come from the men's collection. So, you know, it's going to be a little bit more expensive. So, it has a zip closure, a zipped pocket, a removable metallic plate. Guys, it's like all this extra stuff. Why do we need it? Why? Why do we need it? It just doesn't make sense at all. Okay, double zipper. The one thing that I don't like about this, guys, is that the zipper, to me, it seems like the zipper compartment, when you're looking from the top view of this handbag, it seems as if the zipper doesn't go all the way up like it's supposed to. It just gives me the side trunk vibe, you know. But this is going to be a huge bag, guys. So this is another hobo bag if you guys are interested in it. This is cute. It is. It's cute. It's huge. As you guys can see, it's huge, but it's cute. So if you are in your big bag era, your boss bagging season, look into this. Again, $4,950, the same exact price of the Never Ever Full. Product code number M14196. I don't think it's bad at all. I honestly think it's cute. Okay, we have the shopper tote. Okay, this is the MM size, and the first one I'm going to speak about, guys, here, and this just makes me so mad. The price makes me mad. Okay, it's a shopper tote MM. Product code number M13928. Okay, price $5,450. Again, this is the MM size. I don't see anything wrong with it but the price. That's what I don't like. The length is 15.7 inches. The height is 12.6 inches. And the width is 6.3 inches, okay? The inside textile lining if this is something you're interested in, it also comes with a longer strap. As you guys can see from the picture that's looking above, it comes with a longer size zipper compartment. Guys, it just depends on what you like. It just, to me, is giving on the go tote vibe. But like they got it named Shopper Tote MM. I'm guessing because it's coming from the men's collection. But if it's something you're interested in, it's available. Pre-order now. I gave you the information to go and tell your CA. Okay, besties, let's move to the Speedy P9 Bandolier 30. This is coming in 3 different colors, okay? The first color is Candy. We have Ultra Black, and we also have Frozen Lime. That's the name. That's the name. Please don't argue with me. Okay, let's start with the candy first. The price, $9,900, basically $10,000. The product code number is M13914. Me, lately, I have been a fan of larger handbags. That's me. I've been a fan of larger handbags, and I love this. This is actually cute. If you are in your pink girl vibe going into 2025, this is perfect. I love it. You know everything about the Speedy P9 already. So if, like I said, if you're looking for another pink handbag, here you go. I think it's perfect for you. Add to your collection. But contact your CA. Once again, product code number is M13914, okay? Now you have the Ultra Black, okay? Here it is. Me, I'm not a fan. If I paid $10,000 for a bag, it needs to pop. You know what I'm saying? Like, pop. When people pass by me, pop. No, I wouldn't go all black, but that's just me. Now, if a man is rocking this, I can see them carrying the Ultra Black. Price still the same, $10,000, but the product code number is M13904. Again, I would not do the black. That's just me. And then you have the Frozen Lime. If you are into this, you know, going into 2025, it's perfect for springtime. You can rock this anytime. Don't put yourself in a box. Rock whatever you want to rock. We are not going to put anything else in seasons, okay? So here this is. It just depends on the color that you want, guys. Price still the same. Product code number is M14064. And guys, you know, anything that Pharrell drops, especially in the men collection, is going to be expensive. It's either you're going to want it, you're going to pay for it, or you're not. Okay, besties, let's move on. I've already showed you a picture of this handbag. This is the Carry-All BB. If you know me, I tell you guys a lot. I'm not a fan of the Carry-All handbag at all. And yes, I've tried it. So that's how I can tell you I'm not a fan. And it was basically the tie at the front. So now we have the Carry-All BB that's being released, guys. Pre-order status is now, meaning it is open. Reach out to your CA. Let's get into some details. The first thing I want to talk about, this is what it actually states, guys. This is what this handbag holds. This got me. It fits a smartphone, keys, zippy wallet, earphones. It fits your smartphone, keys, zippy wallet, and earphones. It's a BB, so it's on the smaller size. But to me, the design is so much better. I love the placement of the bag tag. It's not smack dead in the middle. It's on the side. The strap is giving a different vibe. Guys, I'm loving it. I really am. I am loving it. Microfiber lining. You guys know it's just an upscale lining from the textile, that rough material. So it's that smooth microfiber lining. Guys, and this right here, this right here is going to be a game changer. I think so. I really do. So let's see what else they give us. We have the name tag that's on the side. And guys, they're giving me the measurements in centimeters. So let's get started. The length is 26 centimeters. The height is 17 centimeters. And the width is 10 centimeters. You can go and convert that in inches if you want. But again, it's a BB size, so you know it's going to be smaller, guys. So, hey. That's it. And it also has a magnetic closure. So even though it has the tie at the front, it still has a magnetic closure. You can carry this, guys, as a crossbody. You can carry this as a tote. You can carry it over the shoulder. I love everything about the handbag. The size and what it holds kind of gets me, but it is what it is. Okay, so Bessie, this is the last handbag. Like I said, I don't want this video to be extra long, but this is the Nano Speedy dating handbag. This is honestly so cute. This is the cutest nano handbag I've ever seen LV release. I'm sorry, I gotta give it to them. This is the cutest ever. It comes, of course, with the textile lining inside, that beautiful cherry red color. The extended zipper. The extended zipper is just perfect. The only thing that I am going to complain, I'm not even going to complain about it because everything, like I said, on this is cute, is the strap. I don't think the strap is going to be super long. I'm just going by the picture. But for me, that's the only thing, because we do have tall divas out there that love to rock these nano handbags. I just don't think the strap is going to be very long. So if you can get a treated vachetta strap, and guys, I was selling some treated vachetta straps, okay? If you caught it, if you're interested in this nano, you a tall diva, it's going to be perfect. I just can't see it from the picture, but I love that it's extended. Like I said, this is the cutest nano handbag LV has ever released for me, in my book, I will say. Treated vachetta, there's nothing really to complain about to me but the strap. I don't know if it's going to be long enough. And it comes with one zipper. I would have loved to see this come with two zippers. I know it's a nano, it is smaller, but I think a zipper meeting right there in the middle is already extended. That would have been perfect. But like I said, with this being a nano, I can understand them having one zipper. Really no complaints at all. So if you already pre-ordered, please put in the comments, help the other besties out. Guys, these are notes, you know, that I'm reading off of. I'm trying to do the best that I can and get this information out there to you, okay? And the collection that I was talking about, guys, in the first half of this video, of course, guys, it's from the men collection. But you know, we dibble and dabble in the men collection as well. I thought these were handbags that you guys probably want to know about and go out there and purchase. I know the price is a little bit, well, not a little bit more, it's more expensive. But again, it's an investment. You pay for what you want. If you got it, you got it. It is what it is. So guys, let me know which handbags you are interested in, and please do not forget to reach out to your CA before purchasing. If you are interested in the multicolored collection, guys, please reach out to your CA. I still think you have a chance, okay? Now that the VVICs, the VICs have went through and tore up, you are basically getting what's left and what they don't want. And that's just how the ball game goes. It is what it is. But hey, keep smiling. We are going into a new year, guys. And if I don't do another video for the new year, guys, I am wishing you all well. I'm wishing you all blessings. Any and everything that you guys are looking and hoping and praying for, guys, I am hoping that you get, okay? As always, stay blessed, stay safe, and be careful for New Year. Please be careful if you go to any parties, guys. Drink responsibly. Drink responsibly. As always, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video. Mwah, and Happy New Year, guys.